language. Let's start English language. We were doing adverbs. In the previous classes, we had done exercises, not exercises, we had done definition of adverb plus kinds of adverbs definition we have also done with examples. Yes? Today, we are going to do the exercises. So, open page number 110, 110, exercise A. Heading will be pick out the adverbs in these sentences. Only till here. Heading will be only till here. Pick out the adverbs in these sentences. Okay? Now, put a mark there. You have to write heading only till here. You have to pick out the adverbs from these sentences. The newspaper is published daily. Daily, yes. Published here is verb, and the word which is describing verb is adverb. So daily is adverb. Underline daily. Next, I bath twice daily. Twice and daily both. Twice and daily both. Why both? Twice is adverb of frequency. How many times? How often? Twice. Yes. So twice and daily, both. Underline both the words. Third point, the soldiers fought bravely. Bravely, yes, bravely. Underline bravely. Bravely is adverb. Why? Because here verb is fought and the word which is describing verb is bravely. So bravely is adverb. Okay. The next, I have seen this film before. Before. What type? What kind of adverb? Yes. Yes. Before is the answer. And which kind of adverb is before? Adverb of time. Okay. I can't find the keys anywhere. Anywhere. Yes, anywhere. Adverb of place. Very good. Very good. The teachers arrived at the school early. Early. Adverb of time. Very good. The stadium was brightly lit. Brightly lit. Brightly. Adverb of manner. Yes, brightly. Adverb of manner. Everybody is underlining the adverbs. Okay. Parents treat their children affectionately. Affectionately. Adverb of manner. Yes. Very good. Adverb of manner. We are leaving for the zoo shortly. Please come home quickly. First shortly, then quickly. Two words are there. Shortly and quickly. Both. Then the last sentence, the customer climbed upstairs and met the owner of the shop. Upstairs. Where the customer went, climbed upstairs. So underline upstairs. Right? Those who have joined just now, we are doing adverb exercise. Page number 110 we have done. Okay, heading will be pick out the adverbs in these sentences. Only till here heading will be there. And you will do these 10 sentences in your fair copies. Put a tick mark and write their copy. You have to do this exercise in copy. Done? Okay, now come on to the next page. Page 111. 111. Okay. Now complete these sentences with suitable adverbs of frequency. You may repeat some of the given Adverbs. Means few adverbs are given in the box. You have to fill those adverbs in the sentences. You will also repeat them. Okay. So the doctor checks my grandmother's health dash. Daily, no, frequently. Frequently will be the answer. Right there, frequently. Frequently. See the spelling from the box? Frequently. Frequently. Number two, my family dash goes on vacation together. Occasionally. 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 Occasionally not given. Okay. If in new books occasionally is not given, so you may write sometimes, because in new book, instead of occasionally, sometime word is given. So right there, sometimes. He plays golf dash daily. Daily, yes, daily. We see him only dash sometimes. We see him only dash. Wait, no, don't write sometime. Write there fortnightly. Fortnightly is also a word given in the box. So write there fortnightly. See the spelling there from there only. Done? Okay. Then general elections are dash held in India. Often. Okay. Done. Many companies pay their taxes dash. Rarely. 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 We dash go shopping on Saturdays. Often. 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 I dash visit to orphanage near my home. I often or daily or regularly. Regularly. I regularly visit the orphanage near my home. I regularly visit the orphanage near my home. I visit my grandparents daily. You don't write daily, beta. Sometimes. Write there sometimes. The word sometime is suiting more, because the sentence is saying, I visit my grandparents. That means the grandparents are not living with you, they are living somewhere else. So I visit my grandparents sometimes. She takes these tablets regularly. Yes, she takes these tablets regularly. There can be more than one word which is suitable. You can write any. Because see, daily is also correct, regularly is also correct. Both are correct. Similarly, in grandparents, also regularly is correct. Sometime is also correct. Daily is also correct. Okay. So there are few words which fits there. You have to choose any of the words which suits the most. Okay. So this exercise also you have to do in your fair copies. Put a tick mark there and write there copy. Do not copy the words which are given in the box. Do not copy the box. So put the cross on the box. You have to do these sentences in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay? Clear to everybody? All right. Then turn page. Next page. Yes, Ritisha. Complete these sentences with suitable adverbs of frequency. Only till here. Only till here. Complete these sentences with suitable adverbs of frequency. Not full heading because you are not writing the box. Okay? So no need to write full heading. Turn page exercise C and D. It's not in your syllabus, so cut those exercises. Cut exercise C and D. Turn page. Exercise E. Exercise E. I am giving you this as your homework. You have to do this in the book itself. Write there HW. Put a tick mark and write there HW. HW means homework. This exercise you have to do. No. This exercise you have to do in book only. Tomorrow, when I will discuss this exercise, then only you will do in copy. Until and unless I discuss, you will not do. So today, two exercises you have to do. Okay? Exercise A. Exercise A, which was given on page number 110, and exercise B, given on page number 111. These two exercises you have to do in your copy, and exercise E, which is given on page number 114. This exercise you have to do in the book. Tomorrow I will discuss the answers, then you will do in copy. Everything clear? Okay, now. Before your second class starts, complete this work right now in your fair copies.